Well, just a tiny little. Uh-oh. I'm not even sorry.
Is the sugar new cocaine? You have probably heard this shocking claim before, but how true is it really? Also, hey everyone, welcome back to NutriVision. How are you doing today? Today we are diving into a controversial topic. Is sugar is addictive than cocaine? Many influencers and even some studies also say yes, but let's dig deeper to it. Many people have compared sugar addiction to drug addiction, and even some cite a 2017 study to back this up. But what does the science really say? The 2017 study that often quoted is from a British medical journal, but here is the thing, it's not randomized controlled trial or systematic review, it's a narrative review. A narrative review means the author looked at few animal studies and shared their opinion. The author, Dr. Nicole Antonio, was also the editor of the journal, so it's easier for him to get his opinions published. While it's true that sugar can trigger dopamine release in the brain similar to drugs, it's a deep leap to say that it's as addictive as cocaine. The research isn't strong enough to claim that. Unfortunately, many influencers take this narrative review and run with it, spreading fear about sugar. But remember, context matters. Not all research is created equal. So should you worry about sugar? Moderation is the key, as with anything. But don't be fooled by exaggerated claims comparing sugar to hardcore drugs. The science isn't just there. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more science-based content. And remember, always check the facts before jumping into conclusions. See you next time. Bye.